Hello, everybody. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. And today I just wanted to share about that winters are coming up, and we generally take less water intake, and it's very important to keep ourselves hydrated during the winters as well. Uh, We have observed actually बहुत बारी that we have the skin is getting dry. Uh, and we don't feel like drinking water because the weather is changing and it's cold, so we tend to drink less water. But trust me, guys, one of the reason of the dry skin is less water intake. So we do keep on putting the moisturizers, हम लगाते रहते हैं creams and all, but then till the point you do not keep yourself hydrated, uh, there would be a problem. So I would just say try to have more fruits because they have water, and it's easy to take fruits as compared to the water. So a lot of fruits will help you. Apart from that, have green vegetables, and you can have soups. That's another thing. And the other good tip that I would like to give you is have water at your work desk. So generally what happens when we start doing our work, we forget actually drinking water, and sometimes we are too lazy to get up and take the water. So make sure to have bottles in front of you so that you can have it whenever you feel like thirsty. And also make a target, take it a target कि मुझे ये 2 bottles that are in front of me I have to finish in 8 hours. So generally we are up like 12 to 14 hours in a day. I'm just giving you a average. So just try कि you finish minimum 3 liters of water. It's very difficult, but it's not possible. So I have tried and tested because I'm also very lazy in drinking water. So I've started doing this. In fact, sometimes in the beginning मैं अपने वाटर बॉटल्स पे स्टिकर भी लगाती थी कि दिस बॉटल आई हैव टू फिनिश बाय 12 noon, दिस बॉटल आई हैव टू फिनिश बाय 4 p.m., दिस बॉटल आई हैव टू फिनिश बाय 7 p.m. Though it was not great in the beginning, I end up drinking 2 liters, but then now I have a habit, and I also do mix actually a lot of things in my water. Sometimes it's the skin booster because it has other effects, good collagen and all that stuff. Other sometimes I do mix hydrate, which has a lot of good electrolytes, because I do work out, so we lose a lot of salts from our body, so that gives me energy as well. And yes, fruits, cucumbers, another thing that you can add in your diet. Lots of soup during winters. So just make sure to have enough water to have a nice skin during the winters as well. And yes, just for your information, every 20 kgs of body weight need 1 liter of water. So you can calculate yourself. So I am 54 kgs as of now. So on an average I do take actually 2.5 liters of water, which is good enough. So I hope it will help you, and you will definitely add water in winters as well. Have a good time.